Hi, I'm Pi, and I microwave cheese! Now this video will make no sense to you, but that's okay. This internet's video, it will. So enjoy me microwaving cheese, I guess. It's time to put the cheese on the plates. It's that time, everybody. I got this cheese, and I got the plates and the bowls. I'm doing 2 bowls, 2 plates. And I'm going to be putting cheese on each one. But what you do, grab 4 slices of cheese, like so. And then you put the cheese in there. And you put the cheese in there. And then what you do is, you put this in the very clean microwave. So we put it in there for about a minute, I think. Alright, this is 1 minute. Oh my. So that's 1 minute. Do I do another minute? Okay, let's do 1 more minute. Alright. Oh my god, it stinks. Oh my god. This is awful. Oh my god. Now we gotta figure out how long do we put the bowls in. Let's see. Let's see. Is a minute long enough? Whoa! That scared the shit out of me. The sizzling scared the fuck out of me. Yes, I'm microwaving cheese. Yum! Tasty. Tasty. Good. Yum. Yummy cheese. Oh my god. Yum. Delicious. I'm gonna have to like... Oh my god. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god. That does not look right. Put it in the freezer. Why would I want to put it in the freezer for? So we get our next slice of cheese and we put it in there for a minute. Alright, we got our second slice of cheese. And then what we do is, watch carefully. Watch carefully. And we leave it like that for 24 hours. And the same for this. Sorry, I was not meant to face reveal just then. Oh my god! The cheese knows everything about you. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Be careful. Be gently and careful. Never. The cheese knows everything about you. Oh, little cheese. Oh, little cheese. Oh, little cheese. You little cheese. Okay. You're such a good little cheese, aren't you? You are. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cheese. I will start a timer. It has begun. Now we shall wait for 24 hours. I was about to drop it. My phone would have cracked into 10 billion pieces. Can you do a shower? Sure. 3, 2, 1. Like and subscribe for more shower speedruns. Yeah. Do you guys want a toilet speedrun next? Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Like and subscribe for more. Yeah. Okay. Sync time. In 3, 2, 1. Like and subscribe for more. Yeah. Touching grass speedrun. I'm not going outside. I did it. I'm gonna wash my mug. How do I turn on the tap and... Okay, that's plenty of water. I'm such a professional dishwasher, you know. I really am. I really am a professional dishwasher, you know.